Hey, welcome to my new video. This is Kalam again here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can generate a video using AI for many purposes. You look like this video 1.1 million views, this video 100k views, and this video 174 views, and you can see this video 1 lakh and 12,000 views, this video 268 views, and this video 7,35,000 views. You can see this video, those type of video, millions of millions views. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create those type of video using AI. So let's go. First I'm going to pictory.ai. This link I will attach in description below. When you click, you are redirected to this website. So first you need to log in here. Just you can see new to pictory, just sign up here. Then I recommend it for Google. Okay, my login are successfully. So now I want to create a video using script to video. Just click here, proceed. So I want to use chat GPT for script creation. First I want to enter your video name, and first I'm going to chat GPT, then write 200 word YouTube script about just enter top 10 most beautiful fish in the world right now. Just enter. I want to click just enter. Then you can see chat GPT write whole script for me in a second. Wow, this is really attractive. So I want to copy this script, then go again pictory.ai. Just paste here. Wow. So I have to name top 10 fish. You can write any others title, and you are create any others lots of category. You can create any others video. This doesn't matter. Example of, if you want to create top 10 restaurant in Dubai, top 10 beautiful place in South Africa, top 10 place in America, and top most beautiful places India, Bangladesh, any other country, and top 10 most popular cricket team in the world, top 10 most popular league, football league in the world, anything. Just create prompt script using chat GPT, then paste here, then your video are ready. So I want to, wow, this is really attractive. So I want to, wow. So just click processed, then just click processed, then you look like this is home page. Choose template. Now I want to choose a specific template. What type of video you want to create? Example of, I want to create this video for YouTube. Just I want to create. Okay, I select this template. So I want to select 16:9 ratio, because this is perfect for YouTube. So just click 16:9. This link available in first comment and description box. Wow, my video are processing here. So I want to hide this option. Please wait, hold the video storyboard in being created. So I'm waiting. If you want to create this video using a higher freelancer, you need at least $50 per or each video. If you create 4 video in a month, you need a 200 plus 20% freelancer marketplace charge. You need at least $250. But if you want to create this video using this pictory AI tool, you need only $10 or $20. This is amazing, right? Wow, my video are ready. So I want to correction here. So you can see hello everyone. So I want to play this one. Oh, this is really attractive. So if you don't like, if you any script here, any photo here, if you want to change, so I want to upload voiceover. So here's lots of audio. If you are not interested to input audio here, just click here audio. Here is lots of copyright free music you are able to use perfectly. So I want to play this one. Wow, this is really good. So I want to generate voiceover. So just click this icon. You can see this is a voiceover. Here are lots of artists, and I want to check one by one.
The only thing to do with good advice is to pass it on. It is never of any use to oneself.
Oh, so I want to This is
Welcome to
free method
Pictory. It
and
has
this
been
is paid
shown that
method. So I
video
want to free
increases
method
conversion
use
rate
for
by
this is
80%.
example video only. So when I create a serious mode, so I of course use paid mode.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate.
Welcome to Pictory.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that
So I want to
video
use
increases
this
conversion rates by 80%.
female voice because this is a really attractive me and I really impress for these voice. Just apply this icon, click here. Otherwise, if you have your own voice, you are import here my upload. You can see this icon. So I want to play fast. Wow, processing my video.
At number 10, we have the majestic
Wow.
emperor angelfish.
You can see if you have your own voice, just upload here. This is possible. So I am not interested here. So I want to preparing video preview. Just wait.
At number 10, we have the majestic emperor angelfish.
Wow. Upload voice over and change voice over, remove voice over, lots of option here. So if I don't like any script, example of if I want to change this photo, just click this icon and add this others photo. So I'm not interested here. So I want to preview this video, just click preview. I'm really impressed for this AI tool because this is a really attractive me and save my many time because if I want to create this video manually, I need 1 day because voice over and voice editing, video collection, video editing, and lots of time I need. But if I use this AI tool, I need only 5 or 10 minutes.
Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the mesmerizing world of Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel.
Wow. So I want to download this video. Just click this icon, download then video. Just processing since then generate video.
Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the mesmerizing world of aquatic beauty as we explore the top 10 most stunning fish in the world. From vibrant colors to unique patterns, the underwater realm is home to some truly captivating creatures that showcase nature's artistic prowess. So, without further ado, let's plunge into our list. At number 10, we have the majestic emperor. Its striking blue and yellow patterns make it a favorite among divers and aquarium enthusiasts alike. Coming in at number 9 is the mesmerizing mandarin fish, adorned with a kaleidoscope of colors resembling a living work of art. The vibrant and elusive wrasse claims the
So if you want to more video to type up, please comment below, and if you have found this video helpful, please subscribe and like this video. See you next video. Take care. Goodbye.